Lobster fishing in Maine has been going on for generations. The family businesses deal with uncertainty in weather, supply and demand, and increased government regulations, among other challenges. Two lobster fishermen from multi-generation fishing families talked to Lancaster Farming's Art Petrosemolo recently about the current state of the business.
Hi, my name's Steve Train. I fish off the Wild Irish Rose. I fish out of the town of Long Island, and I've held the lobster license since 1975. Well, the lobster fishery's been a great fishery traditionally. It's very sustainable. We've managed it very well. But changes that are happening in the lobster industry now is competition for the use of the bottom. We have people that want to build windmills and grounds that we fish on. That will displace us. We're currently fighting NGOs because of the Endangered Species Act, where they claim that we're causing problems with whales, even though we've only had one entanglement in 24 years and that was not a fatality. That doesn't seem to be our problem. The population of lobsters seems quite healthy, but we're competing now on bait as the reduction in herring harvest has come along. We're more dependent on other baits. We're dealing with supply issues. We can't get buoys. We've got year-long waits to have traps built because they can't find help. And there's a lot of other things going on now that are driving our prices way up. I'm sure we'll get through most of these problems. This fishery's been around for over 100 years. We've had other things to overcome before. It's kind of like fishing, but we'll get through this.
My name's Peter Doran. I'm a lobster fisherman. I fish out of New Meadows River and Casco Bay. I have a fishing boat named Just in Time, and I've been doing this for 40 years. So lobstering's been a challenge over the years. It certainly has changed. The federal regulations worse than any kind of weather that we've ever had. We have no control over it. One example of this federal regulation is these whale rules that are coming down the pike to save the right whales, which is a good thing, but it's hard when you're doing a whole lot of effort to manage something that I've never ever seen before. Whales aren't even in the area that they're trying to restrict us from fishing, and all the rules that they're imposing with gear restrictions and changing our ropes out, and just it's like just unheard of. Another example of federal regulations is the restrictions on herring and pogies, whether it be state regulations. So this is bait. We use herring, we use pogies, we use redfish. Now we use anything we can. I've never used frozen bait in my life, and we're paying we started out the summer paying $100 a barrel, and here it is 3 months later, and we're paying $300 a barrel. So lobster, and whether we have the challenges or not, it's something that we really enjoy. It's embedded in my soul as a child as I learned to do this, and it is just, it's more than an adventure. It's an enjoyable way to make a living, even with the challenges and the setbacks. We are blessed to be able to be on the water and do the things that we do.